Hey everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can actually go ahead and remove someone from your Splitwise group. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead open up our Splitwise app right there. Once we have done so, you can see this is the front section we have, and let's say we had created a group over there. In the group section, we'll tap on it, and now we can see the group that we had created. And let's say we first of all will add a member. Let's say we have added a member and we have finished. Now so we can just send them a text, and now we have added a person to our group, right? So if you want to remove them, we can go ahead, tap on the settings icon of our group, and we can see the member over here. We can go ahead, tap on him, and tap on this option called remove that particular user from your group. We can tap on it, and now tap on this remove confirmation, and now that person is removed from our group over here. That way we'll simply be able to remove somebody from our group. And yeah, this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.